Hi, in front of me is REALME X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on additional settings, keyboard and input method, and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard 1. Go into theme and click on show more to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color. Tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and click apply, but you can also download an image and do the same. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!